Speed versus quality. The speed is addictive. I printed a standard Benchy boat in 17 minutes. But here's the reality. At Ludicrous speeds, the parts are weaker and the finish is matte rather than glossy. For functional parts, I actually slow it down to typical speeds similar to a tuned Prusa to ensure layer adhesion. Engineering materials. This is where the carbon in the name matters. I tested it with PA6-CF, or nylon carbon fiber, and PC, or polycarbonate. The hardened steel nozzle and extruder gears handle abrasive filaments without chewing themselves up. Experience: with the engineering plate and a layer of glue stick, nylon prints surprisingly well. However, physics still applies. Large nylon parts will warp if you don't preheat the chamber properly. The chamber gets warm, about 50 degrees C, but it doesn't have an active heater. So for massive ABS nylon parts, you may still fight warping on the corners.